Maniacs, welcome back to the channel. Great to see you all here. Today we're going to have a look at one of the craziest sovereign citizens on the planet, also known as Kennedy Walker. This guy goes to a public event and he just gets everything wrong. He misquotes the law, he misquotes his constitutional rights. It's absolutely insane and hilarious at the same time. Now, I will preface, this is a throwback video, and I know people show up saying, oh, Will watches old stuff. Well, guess what? It's my channel, and I want to cover it. So let's have a look at this classic video of Kennedy Walker getting everything wrong. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
What does it cost to set up one of these booths here?
$7. And what is your name?
I'm not going to provide that.
Good morning.
I think 46. 45 minutes. Vendors are here right now. That's okay. They're not going to buy anything.
How you doing?
What?
Is this your car here?
I don't answer questions.
You don't answer any questions?
No.
Okay.
This is a Fourth Amendment violation right there, as usual. Would you identify yourself?
I'm Sergeant Esplin, Mr. Walker.
Did you? How do you know what my name is?
Copy. I got a complaint down here I'm investigating.
Did you just run my tag?
I've got a complaint I'm investigating.
Did you just run my tag?
I did.
And do you have probable cause to do that?
I have a complaint that you're selling
Do
messages
you
out of
have
the car.
probable cause of
That
a
would be
crime?
probable cause.
That's not a crime, stupid.
I have a complaint.
Get a warrant.
Okay.
That's such a nonsensical argument that the police need a warrant simply to conduct a basic investigation. Because if that were the case, the police can't investigate anything. They can't investigate a nuisance complaint. They can't investigate a minor traffic infraction without a warrant. It makes no sense, and no judicial body would ever uphold that.
I'm on the sidewalk. You're interfering with me.
No, you're interfering with me.
Just hang tight. 36, what's your location?
You need to learn you're not a complainant.
I know I'm not.
Okay, so I can't interfere with you.
I got a complaint.
It doesn't matter.
You know where I'm at.
You're not a complainant, okay?
What's that?
You are not a complainant.
I already told you that.
So I can't interfere with you.
I already
You can
told you
interfere
that.
with me.
I already told you that.
You told me what? What did you tell me?
Talk to him for just a second. While I
Hey, I'm going to be filing a complaint on this guy right here.
What's going on?
He's a sergeant. I need somebody above him.
Okay. What's going
He just ran my tag.
on? On your plate?
Yeah. It's Fourth Amendment violation.
What's wrong with running tags?
It's Fourth Amendment violation.
How?
Tell me what the Fourth Amendment is. That's how. When you don't know the law, you end up breaking it
I
all
know
the time.
law. We
Okay,
can
tell me
run
the Fourth
tags whenever
Amendment.
we want.
No, it's a Fourth Amendment violation.
not.
No, I have the right to be
Registration
secure.
tags.
Yeah.
You're in a public area.
So, you need probable cause of a crime in order to run my tags. Otherwise, it's not
Yeah,
false.
you should probably educate yourself.
You should probably educate yourself.
I did.
Okay, so tell me the Fourth Amendment.
You have the right to be secure in your place.
Person, document,
place.
effects, my identity.
Right, which means that we can't get into your vehicle.
No.
Without a warrant.
It means my identity is secure unless you have a warrant. Do you have a warrant?
That's not what it's.
Okay, get your supervisor.
Are you?
I'm honestly tired of people misquoting the Fourth Amendment, but apparently this is a common ploy that these soft-hearts and the frauditors use. But we're looking at the language of the Fourth Amendment. Where does it specify that a person's identity can only be discovered by use of a warrant? It says it's protection against unreasonable searches and seizures. But that's not the case here. And when you look up when it comes to running a license plate, the court systems have ruled that the Fourth Amendment does not protect a person from the police running their license plates or their tags because that's not a violation. The Fourth Amendment allows searches and seizures that serve legitimate government interests, which is what the police are doing when they investigate an infraction or a crime. So the argument that the Fourth Amendment is a protection from the police running your tags when they're conducting an investigation is absolutely nonsense.
Get your supervisor here.
That's not what it states.
Get your supervisor here. Get your supervisor here.
He is our
Oh,
supervisor.
I need his supervisor because I'm filing a complaint on him.
Okay, so to file a complaint, you'd have to go to the police department.
No. Get his supervisor here.
We can't do that.
You can't do it or you won't do it? Okay, well, I'm the public. You're a public
Supervisor's
servant.
not working right now.
So maybe you ought to just get on it. I don't give a shit. Get him out of bed. None of you guys work ever.
This
So,
doesn't constitute a supervisor.
oh, okay. Well, then it doesn't constitute anything. You're dismissed.
So are you out here trying to sell mushrooms?
I don't answer questions. What are you guys doing? Now you're just going to stand around me? You know what? I feel harassed right now.
That's unfortunate.
Take a fucking hike, bud. Me? Me. You're telling me what to do.
No.
A servant is telling me what to do.
Telling you to
Kenneth,
do
you
what
got
told me.
kids. Hey, Kenneth, let's take it down.
I don't give a shit. Stop telling me how to talk.
Okay?
I'm not into your bullshit.
You want to talk to somebody?
I,
You got something else
does
going
it
on?
seem like I want to talk to somebody?
You want to try to talk to
It's, at this point, you're creating a disturbance. I'm going to have to ask you to leave.
Oh, I love this one. The police work for me, so I can give the police directives. I can tell the police that they have to leave a scene that they're investigating. It's nonsense. It's nonsense. The bravado of this clown, thinking that he actually has that authority or that it even means anything. It's ridiculous.
You got kids behind you here. Let's keep it down.
At this point, you're creating a disturbance. I'm going to have to ask you to leave.
So under what law are you stating that?
Obviously, disorderly conduct
Right, so disorderly conduct 2. You know what that
is
states?
disrupting my lawful business.
You know what that states? Disorderly conduct?
No, we're going with C, actually, buddy. 2, he says. You don't know what you're talking
There
about.
is no disorderly conduct C.
Okay, bud. What would you know about it?
Clearly a lot more than you do.
Let's stay
Right.
calm, Kenneth. Let's relax.
Okay, you're creating a disturbance. So why don't you guys take a hike before I start placing cops under arrest?
And that would be unfortunate for you to try that.
Oh, you think so?
Yes.
Are you threatening me?
That's not a threat.
Well, I'm getting interpreted as a threat. How does that sound?
It's unfortunate.
Yeah, it sure is, because when I take something as a threat, then I get to accuse you of things like harassment.
You can accuse all you want.
And then I get to place you under arrest.
Kenneth,
That doesn't work like
What?
the main thing is we just don't want kids.
Stop telling me what to say. Stop telling me what to talk about. I'm telling you to leave me alone. Now either get the hell out of here.
Make a disturbance to the public.
You are creating a disturbance. I've already asked you to leave.
What's that?
I've already asked you to leave. I told you were creating a disturbance.
Recording the same as you.
It doesn't change the fact that you are here disrupting my lawful business. Now get the hell out of here.
What is it that you're selling? Magic?
I don't answer questions. Now shut the f and go.
Is that normal talk?
Shut up. Go. You're creating a disturbance. I'm getting ready to arrest somebody. Do we have a ranking officer around here? Because he's going to be the one that I'm going to arrest.
You want to try to?
Now it's time for the next lesson, huh? I call it How to Stop Being Stupid.
And now he's claiming he's going to start arresting police officers. He said, get your highest ranking officer so I can arrest him. How delusional is this guy? What a clown. You really have no clue how this works, do you?
Talk to a counselor?
I'm going to arrest the ranking officer, so get his ass over here.
You already didn't want to talk to him.
Shut up.
What's your problem, man?
Get your supervisor, servant.
We've already tried
Get your supervisor.
We've already tried that. And you don't want
And
to
you
talk
can't
to
do
him.
it because you're losers. That's how you became public servants. Because you have no skills in this life. So you work for me.
I don't work for you.
You're a public servant. I'm the public, you idiot.
Yes.
You're a retard. Get out of here.
Remember I talked to your
You're
mother?
disturbing
Shut the
peace
fuck
of the
up.
public.
Don't tell me how to talk. Didn't I tell you that already?
Call your mom so you can talk to her?
Name and badge number.
Officer Dadabo.
Name and badge number. Officer, I need your name and badge number. Officer. Officer, I need your name and badge. Are you soliciting a trespass or something out of these guys? Give me your name and badge number.
Can you step over there?
Actually, I'm getting ready to place all 3 of you under arrest for disorderly conduct.
2 things. 1, I would love to see you try because I'm actually genuinely curious how that would work. How are you going to place 3 police officers under arrest if you're not a law enforcement officer? I don't know. I'm genuinely curious. But number 2, I'm curious, and I want everyone's take on this. He's saying he wants to arrest the officers for disorderly conduct. Who do you think is being disorderly here? 3 officers investigating someone trying to sell a product that is illegal at a family event, or an unhinged maniac drooling and foaming at the mouth, screaming and cussing, causing a public disturbance. Who do you think actually should be arrested for disorderly conduct of the 2? I'll let you guys tell me.
Stop calling me that name. I don't know who you think you are, bud.
Is there any other name you want me to call you?
Yeah, you can call me Master.
Yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen.
Well, then go fuck yourself and get the hell out of here.
It's not gonna happen either.
Why not? That's the only thing you're good at.
I want to.
Oh, I don't want to. I don't want to. What are you doing here? Go get a warrant.
We don't need a warrant.
You don't need a warrant, huh?
I need a warrant to talk to you.
Actually, you're just creating a
You're out
disturbance.
here
So
disturbing the peace. So that's why we got called.
I'm disturbing the peace?
Yes.
Really? So you coming up to me and bothering me and refusing to leave me alone is me disturbing the peace, or is that you disturbing the peace, genius?
We got called here. Am
I don't give a shit. Show me your warrant.
Am I the one yelling?
I
at
don't
us?
care.
No.
Show me your
I
warrant.
don't need a warrant.
Kid, if you want to talk to somebody from Life.
Okay, at this point, I'm going to go ahead and place all 3 of you under arrest for disorderly conduct. C, by the way.
How do you do that? How do you do that? What was going on?
You are not
Shut up. Get your supervisor here. Get the chief here, actually.
He's not
You're not
available.
talking.
Just shut up.
We need to. You need to
Get
talk
the
to
chief here, bud.
He's not available.
You want me to call somebody?
Look, I don't know what you guys think you're doing, but it's nothing. Go get your warrant. Stop acting like kids that don't know what your job is, and just get out of here.
Do you have a phone on you?
Does your mom have a phone?
Probably.
Then go ask her.
Do you want me to look up disorderly conduct for you?
No?
And I can show you? Are you too scared to be proved wrong? There is no
Scared?
disorderly conduct.
How could I be as scared of you? You're a fucking retard.
Because there's no disorderly conduct.
What are you even doing
So
here?
You don't know what you're talking
Show
about.
me your warrant.
I don't need a warrant.
You don't have a warrant. I
I
know.
need one.
Then do something, stupid.
We're asking you to
We
calm
get called here
down.
because you're.
I don't give a fuck. Shut up.
Quit being disorderly in public. That's all we're asking.
You're the one being disorderly. You came up to me, genius.
Right, because we got a call on you.
I don't care about your call. It doesn't change anything.
You
That's
start scaring kids.
I don't give a shit what you have to say, bud. You need to stop. You need to stop talking. You need to stop.
I won't. Mr. Walker.
You need to stop. Are you the supervisor?
I am.
I need your supervisor. I'm going to file a complaint on you.
You can do that. But right now we got to deal with this. Like I said, we had a complaint about you selling mushrooms.
Go get a warrant. I don't give a shit, man.
You have to have a license to sell mushrooms. Do you have a license?
I don't answer questions.
Do you have a license?
I don't answer questions. Fuckhead, are you intimidating me? 6th Amendment, get me a fucking lawyer.
I'm asking you if you have a license.
Yeah, and now if I answer, you can't use it.
Because there's
Because I
people-
already invoked my right to a lawyer.
People trying to sell mushrooms, but you have to have a license.
6th
to sell.
Amendment.
Because
Give me a lawyer now.
if you're selling people.
Get me a lawyer now.
I cannot believe what I am hearing.
How? How can someone get everything so painfully wrong? Where are they getting this nonsense from? Let's review the 6th Amendment. Yes, the 6th Amendment gives an individual the right to a speedy and fair trial and representation when they are accused in a criminal matter. What that does not mean is that a person has a right to counsel simply during a minor investigation or a traffic stop, because this is not a custodial interrogation. It's a brief detention. It's simply the officers identifying you in most cases and understanding what's going on. This does not mean that you have a right for the police to stop and get you a lawyer, especially since you're not under arrest. Yes, if you're under arrest and you invoke your right to the 5th Amendment to shut up, maybe then you could argue that you deserve a lawyer. But again, that's not how this works. Again, I don't know where these guys get this stuff from. And this guy, this lunatic, clearly has no idea what he's talking about.
Listen, I'm feeling intimidated, and I think I might just admit all sorts of stuff to you just to make you happy.
You want to talk to somebody from Lifeways?
Yeah, get me an attorney.
You want me
I've
to
already
somebody from
invoked the right to a lawyer, you stupid asshole. You guys don't know what the fuck you're doing at all, and it's pathetic.
If you sell
Go get a fucking warrant, bitch.
that are
Go
poisonous,
get a fucking warrant, you
that are
bitch.
poisonous?
You fucking bitch.
hey, you're sworn.
How about fuck you? I don't give a fuck. I don't care. No, this is a protest.
No, it's not.
Oh, fuck it isn't. This is a protest. It's my First Amendment right. Shut the hell up. Do not talk over me.
You still can't create disorderly conduct.
It's a protest. I can say whatever the hell I want.
No, you can't.
Oh, the fuck I can't. I am right now, stupid. Just get the fuck out of here.
Explain it to you is you're not going to be able to do.
It's a protest.
I'm trying to
I have a
help.
freedom of speech. I have a right to redress my government, and I have a right to protest.
You don't have a right.
And I have a right to an attorney, and you guys keep questioning me without an attorney. Guys, these guys are completely destroying our fundamental rights, and you guys are just sitting around letting it happen.
That's because you're destroying their rights to be peaceful.
I can speak as loud as I need to be heard by these people. These people should be coming out of the woodwork and dealing with you fucking oath breakers. And that is the truth.
And they have the right to be out here in peace.
You're the one that came up and created a disturbance. I actually already placed all three of these retards under arrest for...
More than reasonable.
I already placed these three retards under arrest for disorderly conduct. See, by the way, don't take a picture of my anything.
You can take a picture wherever you want.
Don't take a picture of anything.
Your car's in a public place.
So, he's creating a public record. Is that your personal phone?
He has a right to make a public
He
record.
doesn't have rights. He's a cop. He has responsibilities.
We're investigating a complaint.
Yeah, you don't have rights.
And it's our responsibility to investigate.
You don't have responsibilities.
You just said we do.
Huh?
You just said we
So
do.
here's the deal.
What you need to do is honor my oath, honor my rights. That's your oath.
I find it funny when these frauditors and SovCits are just screaming nonsense at the top of their lungs, and they get tongue twisted because they know that they're talking out of their behind. What does that mean? The officers have to honor your oath? Honestly, I don't know why the police didn't arrest him already. He's clearly been disorderly, and the police had many grounds to arrest him, but they chose not to for some reason.
And anything other than that is just you being an oath-breaking traitor, like all
So you're
cops.
saying these people don't have any rights?
What are you talking about?
They have the right to be here in peace, and you're causing a
No,
disturbance.
you're causing a disturbance.
Have you heard me cuss?
It doesn't matter. That's my freedom of speech. What you guys need to do, listen, I've already placed these three men under arrest for disorderly conduct. I placed them under a citizen's arrest. I'm personally sick of these guys bothering me. So how about you guys just take a fucking hike, go get a warrant or something, go do something useful with your lives. Let's see what the pedophile trader's got in this car here. You think they just locked the door? Dumbasses. They think I'm gonna break into their car or something. So why did I just walk away? It's to prove that they're idiots and that I can just do whatever the fuck I want. They don't know what they're talking about. And honestly, I'm personally sick of it, the way they act.
I could go on and on with this idiot because, as you guys see, this guy is clearly unhinged. I mean, it just goes to show the bravado and the nonsense that these sovereign citizens fraud. I don't even know what this guy is. But it goes to show you that they have these nonsensical arguments that get them nowhere. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this throwback video. Thank you all again for your continued support of my channel. And hey, see you guys next time.